What's going on, guys? So today I have some shocking news, which you obviously already read up in the title, but that's right, I sold my Dodge Challenger. So what we're looking at here is my driveway. You can see where it used to be because I shined up the tires here. There's still some residue in the driveway. So yeah, I know it seems pretty crazy. Sold the Dodge Challenger, only had it for 5 months. There's a long list of factors as to why I sold it. One of the biggest factors was the fact that I was going to be able to get more money than I paid for it, which is a unique situation because of the chip shortage and just everything that's going on after 2020. Used cars are really sought after. I mean, the prices are higher than they've ever been, really, and dealerships are very hungry for an inventory. All right, they can't sell cars if they don't have them to sell. So knowing this, I rolled into a couple different dealerships to get some different offers, and I really liked one, and I sold it. I actually made a couple $1,000s on my car, so I got to ride it for free. Well, I wouldn't say free. I did put a couple $100s into it. You know, things like my floor mats, which PS I took. I ended up taking my WeatherTech mats out of there because I did pay a couple $100s for those. But yeah, I made a couple $1,000s on the car. So now we're getting something different. And it is going to be something different. So this is just a quick little, hey, I sold my car video, and for you guys to start guessing what I may or may not purchase. I'm going today somewhere, and I'm not actually going to bring anything home today, but I might order a vehicle because there's something we want. I had a long discussion with the wife about it, and we both settled on the exact same vehicle with very specific features. And if we do end up with one, I think we're going to be really happy. It's just a matter of, you know, the numbers game. Make sure it's something that we can afford, and it's something that's available. So yeah, just wanted to give kind of a heads up there. I should have posted this on Instagram already. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably see some news occasionally before, you know, everyone else does on YouTube. But pretty shocking news. I know no one expected that. I would say another factor, and again, I don't want to go into great detail because I'm going to talk about all this stuff in another video in the future, but there's just something in the back of my mind that just I could not shake, and I was just wondering when my wonderful, beautiful car was going to have a problem and what the future might have held for me had I kept it for the full loan, you know, the full term, 6 years that I financed it for. So anyway, that's it for now. I'll see you guys in a future video with some more details. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.